What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. So today I'm at first job of the day. It's a total 10 areas. That's me and Aaron today. He's upstairs doing some wand work. Let him get a little bit more practice with that so he can take the load off of me. Summer's coming up, it's going to be getting crazy. Well, spring's coming up, it's going to be getting crazy. I'd rather not overwork myself, but as you can tell, this carpet is well maintained. It's actually through a property rental, property management, and I do a lot of work for them. And the customer is very, very picky, so which I was notified about, and I could tell because there's a ton of little stickies all over the house, especially upstairs. So that's the big reason why, you know, well, the property manager had told me the customer would like me to use the corner guards, which I always do, you know that, guys. So all bases covered for that stuff. Right here's probably the dirtiest part of the whole house. Other than that, it's just a nice maintenance kind of cleaning for the new tenants. So I'm doing this video talking about just a few questions that I've been reading through my comments, and let me see if I can bring them up from my memory bank. Okay, so I think one of the questions were on upsells. Upsells on as far as, you know, carpet protection, pet enzyme, that type of stuff. So I guess it all depends on the way you see things. It is a upsell. It is a upsell basically. But the way I present it to the customer is more of a recommendation. So it's not like I'm trying to sell them on it, you know. So when I quote for the cleaning itself. And then when I'm on the phone, I ask them, you know, if they have pet issues or any in their staining that I should be concerned about. And if they do have pet issues, I do let them know that I could be raising a price on them if I have to do enzymes. So they know that before I get to the house. All right. If they say it's just a couple spots here and there, and then I say, well, you know, I do that for free, which I use 20 volume or some kind of organic stain removal. But if it's excessive, you know, I bring out the light. And if you don't have the light, guys, get the light, because that's going to really help you to make a lot of money as far as upping your tickets. And it's not selling. You're just walking around showing them, you know, what's there. And if there's a lot, they're going to definitely want to do the enzyme. So as far as carpet protection, you want to go ahead and bring that up all the time. I do recommend carpet protection. You know. And if you want to offer them a special, go ahead and offer them a special, you know. Say it's normally $40 bucks. I got a special going on for $30. So when it's like you're giving them something, it's easier for them to say, all right, yeah, just go ahead and do it. So that's for that. Now, hot water. I got a question about how hot water affects carpet cleaning. It does affect carpet cleaning. The hotter water you get, the more you're gonna break up those kind of oils and grease and all that stuff. You know, it's just like when you're washing dishes, right? Hot water always makes everything break down a lot easier. So if you got a portable will basically, if you don't have heat in your portable, get hot water from the tap. Okay, as hot as you can. And sometimes, you know, you can get it up 100 degrees, 110 degrees. That's going to be enough to break up that soil. And so, yeah, heat does make a difference in hot water. I notice when I'm really struggling on a really hard, really soiled carpet, once I got that heat coming out of that wand, it makes everything go a lot quicker. So, all right, hold on. All right, so I think I was talking about hot water. So hot water helps Is it a necessity to start your own carpet cleaning business? No. I mean, for the simple fact is, you know, you got different carpets that, you know, need different attention, and it's just going to make your life a lot easier with hotter water. Even if you're doing VLM, I believe that warmer water actually helps out, break that soil apart from the fiber. But is it a necessity? No, but it's just going to make things go a lot quicker, okay? So truck mounts usually got a lot more heat than a portable. Yet you can get heaters that can get you plenty of heat for that. And a portable, you just got to spend a little bit more money. As far as wand work, you know, being able to, if you're doing hot water extraction and not killing yourself, there is a technique. The technique is don't do too long a stroke, so you're not bending over, and only use one hand and pulling back. When you get started, you're going to tend to want to reach forward and do long strokes, right? And then keep your hand on that handle there. You're gonna, if you're old like me, you're going to really feel that at the end of the day. I think even if you're young, because I'm a freak of nature anyway. That was a joke, but not really. So right now it's going back over with dry strokes. So that's going to keep it from problems with wicking. Too much moisture left in the carpet, it's going to cause wicking problems. There was a question about marketing, you know, how to get business and that, and this and that. And it's just not really that simple. What I believe is you got to build your foundation in order to get a reliable marketing strategy, which is less and less every year that goes by. So I barely advertise. I've only been full time for 2 years. Barely advertise. I spent probably, I think my last AdWords, not AdWords, Google Ads was $38 last month. Okay. Month before that, about the same. Granted, when I first started out, I was spending about $300 a month. But if you're making $10,000 a month and you're only spending $300 a month, doesn't that make sense? So, hold on, I better catch this. Green Rhino carpet clean. Hello? Alright, so I get a lot of spam calls. So if you only spend $300 a month, now doesn't that make sense? And guess what, guys? When you do Google Ads, you don't pay that to the end of the month. So it's not like it's coming out of your account right away, okay? I do teach how to build your foundation to do exactly what I did in my course below. I know I'm pushing that, guys, but a lot of the questions I get are all addressed in that course. And that course could be worth a lot more. So take advantage of it before I raise the price, because I know people are charging 2-3 times that. So, okay, I gotta think of some more questions. All right, so do I dilute 20 volume peroxide? No, don't dilute 20 volume peroxide. It comes in a blue label bottle. It's 20 volume peroxide clear. You only get that from Sally's, so locally from Sally's or online. You just put it in a spray bottle and don't dilute it and spray it. Okay, so you know it's an oxidizer. You know it's great for pet stains. So I use it mostly for pet stains, coffee sometimes, and wine, organic type of treatments. So no, you do not need to dilute 20 volume peroxide. 20 volume peroxide, I believe, is only 6% peroxide. It's not going to damage or lighten up your fibers or anything like that. But do not use it on natural fibers, wool, anything like that, okay? Just use it on nylon or polyester. Keep it safe. Wool and stuff, it could change some colors. Really sensitive to that. what else we got here? Oh, can you start what else do you need to start the BLM if you already have a 175? Well, all you really need is a vacuum, pop-up sprayer, you have the 175, and the chemistry. So you're almost there. If you already have the 175, that's a big part of your budget that you already knocked out. So all right, so that's it. Finished up, got everything loaded up. Took us about an hour and 15 minutes total. That's switching off back and forth just to help out with the resting part as far as the lawn work. But we didn't have to pre-agitate. We just hit some spot areas with the little hand drill because the carpet was in really good shape. So if you liked this video and you liked the information that I was giving you, the question and answers, go ahead and hit that like, guys, and maybe below there, go ahead and put a 1 in the comments, just so we can get some good recommendations from YouTube, and to let me know you liked the information. And if you got any more questions, go ahead and put that down, and what I'll do is I'll refer back to this video and answer some more questions in another one. All right, well, see you in the next one.